On this episode of Makeup and Tech, I'm answering the question, do you need a ring light as a makeup artist? You see, right now I'm just going to give you the answer straight to the point so you don't have to waste your time. You can click out of this video and just go. The answer is no, but you want to stay tuned to find out why. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva from brushingly.com, and today on Makeup and Tech, I already told you no, you don't need a ring light as a makeup artist. I'll tell you why. Now, actually, my answer is yes and no, but no first, because if you are a makeup artist right now and you're stopping yourself from filming, from taking pictures, from shooting your makeup tutorials, from shooting the weddings that you're doing makeup for, from shooting your clients because you don't have a ring light, you're stopping yourself, then what's wrong with you? Why are you stopping yourself? Why are you giving yourself excuses? I've had so many makeup artists in my DMs telling me, oh, I don't have a ring light and so I cannot film, I can't do my makeup videos, I can't do my makeup, I can't film my makeup clients and things like that. I'm just like, no, you're getting it wrong. You don't need a ring light, you just need to film. And I just feel like I need to get this out there so that you can stop stopping yourself as a makeup artist. You can begin to elevate yourself. When I started shooting makeup videos, I didn't have a ring light, I didn't have any lights at all. I was only using daylight and my phone. If you've watched the makeup tutorial that I shot on my phone, I did share with you guys why I shot that video on my phone, just to encourage you guys to begin to shoot on your phone. Today, I'm trying to encourage you to shoot, whether you have a ring light or not. And I'm so passionate about this because I remember when I started filming makeup videos, I used to sit in front of the window. No ring lights, nothing, just beautiful daylight. Until today, I still really like daylight for filming, especially if you have a great window in your room or in the studio where you're filming. So no, you don't need a ring light. But as you begin to make more money and as you begin to get some dough, you know, you're beginning to elevate yourself because you've started filming without a ring light, then you can think about investing in a ring light. The ring light so far has been a really good investment for me as an artist, as a creator, as a filmmaker. I've just enjoyed having a ring light, and I have several tips for how you can maximize the potential of your ring light in another video that I will share with you guys later. Still speaking about ring lights and filming, I also have a free course for you guys, how to film and edit videos on your phone. So if you're watching this video right now and you've been stopping yourself from filming because you don't have a ring light, or you've been stopping yourself from filming because you don't have a big camera like a DSLR, then you need to check out that course right now. The link is in the description below. How to film your makeup videos on your phone and edit on your phone. You don't need a laptop, you just need your phone. You don't need a ring light. So yeah, that's my answer. Do you need a ring light as a makeup artist? No, baby. You don't. You just need to use what you have right now, which is pure magical daylight from the Lord our God. And enjoy it and have fun and film. Don't let nothing stop you. And stop giving yourself those excuses. When it's time for you to own a ring light, the money will drop and you will buy one. And you'll be like, oh, I'm so happy that I started practicing when I didn't have a ring light. Look at me now, I'm such a pro. Yes, baby, yes. So let me know if this video was helpful for you. Also, let me know in the comments below, are you going to start filming immediately, or are you going to keep on waiting for your ring light? Let me know. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe. It makes me so happy to have you guys join my tribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye.